This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by exporting your Kobo form as XLSX or CSV and include both survey and choices sheets. Once done, open the file and make sure UTF-8 encoding is preserved. This prevents weird characters in SPSS. You should shorten and standardize question variable names now, no spaces, unique ID, because SPSS handles these more predictably. Make sure choice labels and numeric codes are present. This saves hours when you map value labels later. Now import the prepared file into SPSS. If you saved XLSX, use File Open Data. For CSV, use Get Data and set delimiter and encoding. As you load, explicitly set each field as string or numeric. This controls analysis and avoids later conversion problems. Next, use the choices sheet to create value labels and attach them to variables and define system missing values where appropriate. Once that mapping is done, save a working. Save to lock variable definitions. Finish by reviewing variable view. Adjust labels, measurement level, widths, and missing values so analyses are valid. Then compute composite scales, recode any leftover text responses into numeric codes, and run frequencies to confirm distributions. When everything looks right, save the dataset as a SAV and also export syntax or a codebook for reproducibility. If things go wrong, check encoding and header rows first. BOM or shifted headers cause misalignment. Re-export from Kobo with clean headers and re-import.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.